pageant in their place. Maraming salamat po. And for the venue for Victoria, we have Hotel Stotzenberg. Creating Pixel and Mr. Brian Ordonez, our official photographer and videographer. Euro Hotel for the tarpaulin of our candidates. Our official tabulator, thank you so much for recording the scores of our judges properly and quickly. We have Bill Says, Mr. Albert John Dante for the set and tarpaulins of our candidates designed by Arthur Pamintuan, Ina de la Cruz, and Aris Pamintuan. You may visit his shop at 2F Stall 9 WAM Building, Magalang Road Corner, Pandan Tapon Road, Angeles City. We would also want to thank Ms. Ana Donna Blackham for the bouquet of flowers, My K Salon and Spa, by Ma'am Maggie Zamora, Natasha, by Mr. Rufino Pajo, Burger King, by Mr. Rolando Boncayo, Mr. Richie Sabinian, our official designer, our license sound provider, Quantico, Mr. Aris Pamintu, our official administrator of Mr. and Ms. Malabañas page 2014 to 2016. Of course, our official choreographer, Mr. Carlito Lanza. Thank you so much also to Rico Sazon's Party Needs event styling services for weddings, children's parties, different parties. You may visit his account at ricosazon@yahoo.com. And big thanks to Engineer Jojo De Leon and Regine Berenio. Maraming salamat po. We would also want to thank the help and all support, and of course the large intelligence and deep part of the Barangay Council, for without them this event will not be possible. We have our ever hardworking and ever supportive Puno Barangay Reynaldo Jumanguero, along with the Honorable Kagawads. We have Honorable Kagawad Alexander Flores, Honorable Kagawad Marvin T. Lazati, Honorable Kagawad Reynaldo Mamaril Jr., Honorable Kagawad Chris Mante, Honorable Kagawad Romeo Bacani, Honorable Kagawad Luz A. Nava, Honorable Kagawad Jeff Garcia, our Barangay Treasurer is Rachel M. Barrientos, Barangay Secretary Igmedio Panting, Barangay Administrator 1 Internal Romilo Malonzo, Barangay Administrator 2 External Aurelio William Mantuloy, Executive Officer 1 Orlando Burnell, Executive Officer 2 Javier Abing Tuliao, Barangay Deputy 1 Herminilio Cuentabella, Barangay Deputy 2 Luis Vitan. To all the barangay staff of Barangay Malabañas, maraming salamat po. To our guests, we have Tita Letia Bao. To all the Tiger 1 to 16 and all the Barangay Tourist Police, again, thank you for making all the guest events of operation of Barangay Malabañas peaceful and orderly. We would also want to thank Sir Luis Lacson, Leader Tiger 1 Central Proper, Mr. Roel Coronel, Marites Yamson, and Kuya Soy. Maraming salamat po. And I would like to personally congratulate all the organizing committee of the 2016 Fiesta Event Celebration of Barangay Malabañas. We have Arthur Pamintuan, Maria Teresa de los Santos, Lina de la Cruz, Reynan Manalo, Ronald Escartin, and a round of applause for Ma'am Mary Chris Cueto. Job well done. Alright, they're just verifying the result. Again, our candidates will be trimmed down into 5 male and female finalists. After that, they will be proceeding to the final question and answer portion. The top 5 male and female finalists. The numbers of our top 5 male and female finalists. Are you now guys ready? Are you now guys ready? Alright. I will not be prolonging the agony or excitement. We now announce the top 5 female finalists first. You guys, a job well done. Sabi ko nga kagabi, as a cliche, in every competition there will always be winners and some that not make it to the top. Never stop dreaming, never stop chasing your dreams, and never stop reaching for it, okay? You're all winners, and you all look stunning. I had a great hard time choosing my bed. Please come up on stage. Pwede po ba kayong imbitahan dito sa taas? To all the Barangay Malabanyas Council members, please come up on stage and join me here. Join us here on stage. There you go. Please join us here for the photo opportunity together with all the candidates, beautiful and gifted candidates of Miss Remis Malabanyas 2016. For without their large intelligence and deep heart, this will not be possible. Again, all the Barangay Council, and then we have also the candidates of Miss Remis Malabanyas 2014 winners. Join us here. Again, congratulations for the successful staging of the 2016 Best Event Celebration. Paglakpakan po ulit natin sila. The people behind the success of Barangay Malabanyas. A round of applause once again. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat din po to the Heaven's Cake by Ms. Anna Dora Parka. Thank you so much. our top 5 male finalists. Congratulations! Joining this elite group, male candidate number 2. Next we have number 9. Third male finalist. Congratulations! And sa lahat po ng mga magulang ng ating mga candidates, palakpakan naman po natin ang mga magulang ng ating mga candidates for giving their 101% support to the Barangay Council of Barangay Malabañas. Number 3. One more finalist, male finalist. Who will it be? Will it be okay? Completing our male finalists for the Mr. Malabañas 2016. Congratulations! Number 8. Folks, your finalists for Mr. and Mrs. Malabañas 2016, one of the resounding applause. And to you guys, thank you so much for joining. Maraming salamat. There you go. We have female candidate numbers 3, 4, 5, 7, and 9. And male candidate numbers 2, 3, 6, 8, and 9. May we have... There you go. There you go. For this final question and answer portion, it will be a written question and answer. For us to have a fair and square question and answer portion, we will be providing clean folders and pencils for our finalists. And they will be asked with one common question. And the criteria for the final round will be 60% physical beauty and 40% intelligence or wittiness. No need for you to be scared. No need for you to be scared, okay? Let's just keep the mood light and energetic tonight. Alright. Again guys, you have 30 seconds to answer. Pencils up. Pencils up. There you go. We did this because we want the parents to hear question and answer. Please, may we have the timer? 1 minute and 30 seconds. And it will be one common question for everyone. It will be 60% physical looks and 40% weightiness. After this, I will let you to read your answers, pero naka-monitor kayo sa akin. Okay? Then we will be pass the folders on to our judges. There you go. Pencils up. Pencils up. Alright. Just relax. Are we now good for the timer? Okay na po ba yung timer? It's okay, it's okay. Inhale, exhale. All the best of luck to all of you. Judges, good luck. Alright. Test. Listen very carefully. Pencils up. Your question is, final question for Mr. and Miss Malacañas 2016. What is your view on the implementation of City Ordinance 2007-007, also known as curfew for minors? Again? Wait. What is your view on the implementation of pencils up? Please. Again, I will be reading the question. What is your view on the implementation of the City Ordinance 2007-007, also known as curfew for minors? Timer starts now. Last 30 seconds.
Review.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pencils up. Pencils up. All right. Again, a round of applause for our finalists, and that completes all rounds of the competition. There you go. All right. Again, I will let to read their answers, but they will be strictly monitored by me. We now have female candidate number 9. Again, the question is, what is your view on the implementation of the City Ordinance 2007-007, also known as curfew for minors? Again, wala po dapat dagdag at bawas.
Curfew is for a purpose, and that purpose is to change our community to be a better and responsible. Because at the end of the day, we must be united for the benefit of our future generation. That will be all of curfew.
Candidate number 9. Next we have candidate number 3, or number 7. There you go.
My view about this ordinance is that first, it will lead us into a good future, especially to the youth of our generation. Second and last point of view is that it will help us in achieving the discipline that our country wanted for. Thank you.
Candidate number 7. Female candidate number 7. Next we have candidate number 3.
So, Ordinance 207-007, or the implementation of curfew to the minors, 8 and below, and this curfew is between 10 p.m. to 4 p.m. and it's actually implemented. I am not sure of the year, but I know it is implemented between June to, it's either 2015 or 2016. So the youth plays a big role in our society. So it is important to give priority to the safety and security of the youth. That's why our barangay gives importance to this, because as what the famous saying says, kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan. Thank you.
Female candidate number 3, thank you so much. We have next candidate number 4.
Well, for me, it was very important because curfew, Republic Act of 0007, will make the young youths more responsible and disciplined enough. Implementation of curfew will have a big impact for us because it serves as an ordinance which we, the youth, can use to be better and well-developed. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 4. And completing our female finalists, we have candidate number 5. Alright?
It would be better for our community because our Bantibayan will be in response and frontliners in the preparation in response to any type of atrocities, emergencies, and public safety. That will be all.
Thank you, female candidate number 5. And proceeding to our male finalists. We have first candidate number 2. Candidate number 2. Okay.
Makatulong ito na bigyang proteksyon at itayo sa kapamahakan mga may yung gabi sa panahon ngayon kailangan ng pagbabagong kaunad ng ating barangay.
Candidate number 2. Next we have candidate number 9.
Curfew. Curfew can help to prevent crimes in our barangay. And also, the teenagers will be good and avoid their vices in their life. And you can see the peacefulness in our country. That will be all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 9. We have next candidate number 3.
Para sa akin,
Isang magandang batas ng curfew para maiwasan ang lahat ng maguluhan sa barangay. Dahil madalas nagmumula ito sa 10 oras ng gabi, lalo na sa mga minor de edad. Yun lang po.
Salamat din tayo for number 3. Second to the last, we have number 6.
Mas maganda po ito kasi mas mababantayan natin ang ating mga anak sa pwedeng masama mangyari sa kanila. Mas mababantayan din natin sila sa mga masamang droga at krimen. Yun lang po.
Thank you so much, candidate number 6. And last but not the least, candidate number 8.
This city ordinance instills discipline and safety among the youth. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 8. And again, that completes all rounds of the competition. Palakpakan po natin sila. The finalists of Mr. and Miss Malabañas 2016. And this time, let me have our finalists to have a final look for the judges as they pose for the last time. Once again, let's welcome back on stage our finalists as they pose before our judges for the last time. Once again, friends, we're now down to the final hour of the competition. But before that, let's have a final look of our female and male finalists as they pose before our judges for the last time. to Dan Lucas,